Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ma'am. Before presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Indah Alviana Putri from Design and Manufacture Engineering, Class 8A. In this video, as English course assessment in meeting 7, allow me to present my final project progress entitled Design and Manufacture of Jig and Fixture for machining process balance wheel on 3-axis CNC milling machine. The first discussion is the result of the revised final project proposal of the chapter 1, 2, and chapter 3. In chapter 1, there is a background. The topic of the final project was obtained from the company where my OJT, where there are products that require tools to facilitate the machining process. The product is balance wheel. Balance wheel is a component of a production machine with a function as a maintaining balance. Balance wheel will be mass product with a total of 220 pieces and the target production schedule in 1 month. In the balance wheel, there is a hole position with a certain angle which is difficult to drill without using tool. As well, using only 3-axis CNC milling machine that have small space room. So, for machining process, need to tool that is jig drilling and jig milling. With this background, it is concluded that jig and fixture are needed to improve production rate and product quality. He said on the background that has been described before, then problem obtained that is 1. How to design jig and fixture machining balance wheel on 3-axis CNC milling machine. 2. How to make up the balance wheel, jig and fixture correspond to CV Gaya Indah production need. And 3. How does the performance of the balance wheel, jig and fixture on 3-axis CNC milling machine? For the result obtained from the conclusion in the research, for the research significance and research delimitation as I have mentioned and explained in this chapter 1. In chapter 2, there are several literature that I use reference to my final project, starting with discussion of jig and fixture. After that, Ulrich method, 3-axis CNC milling machine, cutting, force milling and drilling, and calculation of deflection. In chapter 3, there is research methodology, which is the stage completing final project. The second discussion is the progress of Chapter 4. Comparative product review are conducted to determine the advantage and disadvantage of comparison product. In this table is advantage and disadvantage of comparison product. The advantage is that the product can be used immediately, can be used for milling process and drilling process on all product. The disadvantage is that limit product availability in the company. Machining process results are not accurate. Long setting time, long machining process time, hard to repair, and damage easily. Preparation of need list. In this list of needs that I have made, there are several aspects that have been approved and agreed by company. On this preparation of need list tailored to the need of company and customer. These aspects are material, operation, manufacture, and repair. For the description of the list of needs I have mentioned and explained in this subchapter. In this concept design has been made in accordance with the company list as a jig and fixture for machining balance with process. In this design concept, there are two jigs used for drilling process and milling process with three design concepts in each jig. Jig drilling to create a part of the drilling process with a certain angle. Jig milling is used to increase production rate. Here is a jig picture for each design concept. First, design concept. This is jig drilling. And this jig drilling with material. This jig drilling milling. This jig milling. First design concept. And this jig milling with material. The second design concept. This is jig drilling. And this jig drilling with material. This is jig milling, second design concept. And this jig milling with material. The third design concept, this is jig drilling. And this jig drilling with material. This is jig milling, first design concept. Third design concept, and this jig milling with material. Selection criteria. Criteria are obtained from several aspects, namely material, operation, manufacture, and repair. From these criteria will be outlined each design concept, and the selection of the best design concept for follow-up. Material criteria are included in the list of needs with the selection of material that can be used facilitate the manufacture of jig and fixture balance wheel. Operation criteria are included in the list of needs with the aim of facilitating machining in manufacture balance wheel and not long setting process. Manufacture criteria are included in the list of needs with the aim the product easy to fabrication, not long build, and easy to assembly. Repair criteria include in the list of needs with the aim of when damage occur can be repaired quickly and easily. Concept selection. At this step, will be choose one design concept as a jig and fixture for process machining balance wheel. In the jig and drilling concept selection table and the jig milling concept selection table has filled each concept assessment matrix. Table 4.3 and 4.4 evaluation result with the highest value of design concept 1 selected to be design jig and fixture balance wheel. Last concept detail component. This is step and so the selected design concept can be known the detail of each concept used in the jig and fixture balance wheel. Here is a detailed design of component for jig drilling with the description of each component that is clamp M10, bolt M10 with long 32 millimeters, bolt M16 with long 62 millimeter, stopper with detailed dimension in picture 4.14, plate as shaft with detailed dimension in this picture, plate as material place with detailed dimension in picture 4.16, pan with detailed component in picture 4.17, and base plate with detailed dimension in this picture. Here is a detailed design of component for jig milling with the describe each component that is bolt M8 with long 48 millimeter, clamp M8, and plus a shaft with detailed dimension in this picture. Thank you for attention. Enjoy with my video. Stay healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.